Welcome back to another XDP Manufacturer Q&A. In this one, I'm joined by Chris from aFe to go over aFe's line of exhaust manifolds, what they do, and why upgrading is a smart option. So Chris, what does the exhaust manifold do?
So it's just the piece that takes the exhaust gases out of the head and runs it into the turbo on a diesel. So simply, it's just a piece of metal that will carry that exhaust towards your turbo so you can get everything moving.
Now, what makes upgrading the exhaust manifold so beneficial?
The big thing is the stock manifolds don't flow very well. So ours are bigger bore, they're ported to match. So make sure you get the maximum flow you can get to your turbo. The other side of it is the stock ones with the heat cyclings, they tend to fail over time. So with ours, they're bigger, beefier, they're gonna hold up to those heat cycles and not fail.
What makes aFe's exhaust manifolds more durable?
A couple things there. Mainly, we design in some extra features and ribs and things to make those things hold up to the added heat cycles and the stresses that they're going to see. We also use a ductile iron that's going to hold up better with those heat cycles over time.
Now, who benefits the most from these upgraded manifolds?
So these manifolds can be used for anybody, but the ones that are going to upgrade or that benefit the most are going to be the ones that have a failed manifold, in my opinion. There's a lot of manifolds that are out there that are known to fail. The Cummins, with the added weight of the turbo hanging on them, they tend to fail over time, and some of the Duramax ones would fail too.
Is there anything else that you think people should know when it comes to aFe exhaust manifolds?
I think the big thing is we design all these in-house. We spend a lot of time engineering these so they'll last, so they'll endure the test of time on your vehicle, so you don't have to change these again. We've got years of experience doing this, and we build pretty much manifold for any diesel truck out there.
A big thanks to Chris from aFe for taking the time to give us an inside look at aFe's exhaust manifolds. To learn more and to get one for your truck, head over to XDP today.